Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers in front of me iPhone 15 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to use cinematic mode and what is this cinematic mode on iPhone 15 Pro. So let's open the camera. Hello, and find here cinematic. Click continue, and what is the cinematic mode is. So, for example, I have here the object. Here I have the flower, it's artificial flower. And for example, I wanna record the video with this flower. I'm recording in, I don't know, in 4K maybe? No, HD 30 FPS. So now let's open the cinematic mode with the same settings. And now when I record in cinematic mode, I can choose the object I wanna focus on. For example, now I'm recording the flower, and so now my focus is on the flower. But by clicking on one place, for example on the monitor, the focus was changed to the monitor, and flower now is blurred, but it's still in front of the camera, but it's blurred. Let's see. And as you can see, this is the cinematic mode. And picture in this mode looks more beautiful. I don't know why. Maybe because of algorithms. Algorithms I know are colorizing the image. So of course because of it looks greater. But in the normal mode it looks cool too. But it's just normal mode. It's not the cinematic mode. It's without the aperture of the camera. So. Maybe this is the biggest difference of cinematic mode and normal mode. If you are using cinematic mode, you can change the focus during the post-production. So for example, now I'm focused on the flower, but on the post-production I can focus on the other object, on this logo for example, or on the computer. As you can see, this is amazing because I don't know how they do it, but it's possible only on iPhones. As you can see, I can focus on the keyboard, on the screen, and on the flower, but all of it I can do on the post-production. How? I don't know, but we can do it. Film in cinematic mode, we can better colorize, we can change the exposure and all settings of the video we want, and it looks better, better than in the normal mode. I don't know why, because here we have algorithms, additional and other maybe not primary features, and it looks great. And filters are normal filters, like in normal mode. So cool. Here we can change the aperture, and we can disable the manual tracking, for example. So enable or disable manual tracking. So cool, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.